What's the meaning of chimenea? Chimenea. Chimenea.
Chimenea. Chimenea. A chimenea is a type of outdoor fireplace or oven that is typically made of clay or metal. It has a tall chimney-like structure, and is commonly used for heating patios and outdoor spaces during cold weather. The word chimenea comes from the Spanish word for chimney. These structures are often decorated with intricate designs, and can be a stylish and functional addition to any outdoor living space. Overall, a chimenea provides a cozy and warm atmosphere for gatherings and relaxation outside of the home.